Hello guys. So if you're looking to cancel few items from your orders in Temu, so if that's the case, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So after you open your Temu application, just simply go to the orders tab of your account. So when you're in your all orders tab, you will be able to see multiple options like processing, delivered, and reviewed. So if you choose any of them or go to the options which is provided at the top like processing, reviewed. You can review them individually if you want. But what we are looking is processing. So click on it, then choose cancel order health. Just simply click on that option, then click on I want to cancel items. Now just simply choose the item that you want to cancel. Then just simply click on the checkbox, then choose the reason, then click next and choose how you want to get your refund. For me, it's the original payment method. So after that, just simply leave on submit, then click yes. Then the refund is processed. Now it will take up to 3 to 6 business days, depending on your bank provider. But within 6 days, you should get your refunds back. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel. And take care.